Olá, nós estamos aqui com a portuguesa. Salut, nous sommes l'équipe portugaise.
Hi, we are the Portuguese team.
Hi, my name is Maria João, and I'm an English teacher and an ICT teacher.
My name is Sandra, and I'm an English teacher as well.
My name is Laura. I'm the math teacher. Je m'appelle Susana et je suis professeure de portugais et français.
Je m'appelle Luana.
Je m'appelle Mara.
Je m'appelle Fábio.
My name is Alessandra.
My name is Gonçalo.
My name is Alexandra.
My name is Marta.
My name is Maria. My name is Catarina.
Our school is located in the second largest town of Portugal, Porto. It lies at the boundary between the wealthiest area of the city and the most socially deprived one. But what makes our town so special? It certainly has great food and the romantic atmosphere of an old town. Many of Porto's bridges have become city landmarks, but nothing compares to the Dom Luís I Bridge. This enormous iron arch bridge remains an enduring symbol of the city. The Clérigos Tower is the main landmark. This impressive religious complex consists of a tower, museum, and church. You'll need to climb up 225 steps to get to the top. The Porto Cathedral is one of the city's most iconic buildings. It was originally built in the 12th century, and it has rich, stunning decor throughout. São Bento Station is more than just a transit hub, it's a work of art. This incredible station feels like a museum or a palace thanks to its 20,000 hand-painted azulejo tile. Some say that the Lello bookstore was the inspiration for Hogwarts, as J.K. Rowling was a regular visitor when she lived in Porto. Check out this magical place for yourself, with its winding. The Douro River stretches for almost 900 kilometers across Spain and Portugal. It finally meets the sea in Porto, and it's the city's main artery. Without the river, there would be no Porto. If you ever visit our town, you can enjoy a glass of wine on a sailboat tour on the Douro River. It's one of the best ways to see the sights of the city, starting from the Luís I Bridge. Porto's gastronomy is also famous worldwide. It is home to a number of famed Portuguese dishes, and it is also the home of port wine. An emblematic dish of Porto is unmissable and absolutely worth trying. The francesinha consists of a slice of bread, sandwich type, different types of meat, usually ham, sausage, and beef, yes, all three at the same time, covered with melted cheese and accompanied by a spicy sauce, orange, and tomato-based fluid. It is usually served with fries. Tripas à moda do Porto is a traditional Porto dish, made with pork tripe cooked with white beans, vegetables, and spices. Caldo verde is a popular soup in Portugal, prepared with finely sliced kale, potatoes, onions, and olive oil. Usually served with slices of sausage. Natas, these are small open pastries filled with egg custard and sprinkled with sugar or cinnamon. It's a sweet, creamy, wobbly confection, small but perfect.
Hello, this is our school Leonardo, Coimbra, Filho, and we will take you on a tour. Come with us.
We'll take you on a tour around the main facilities. Our school is divided into 5 blocks. This one is the main block. Here, you'll find the reception, and the end of this corridor we have the board's office. Let's meet our principal, Mrs. Licete Almeida.
Olá, bom dia. Sou a diretora do agrupamento, Lisete Almeida.
This block also includes the library. Let's take a look. As we are part of the Priority Intervention Educational Territory Program, we place a strong focus on our Student and Family Support Office. Over there we can see the bar, the canteen, and the IT rooms. This is also where the Students' Hall is located, a space where students can spend their breaks. In the second building, we have the teachers' lounge and classrooms, particularly those for students in health courses. Let's take a look. This building is where the professional courses have classes, in other words, where we spend most of our time. Here, we have traditional classrooms. This is one of our classrooms. The kitchen and the restaurant where culinary arts students have their practical lessons is here as well. We prepare amazing meals for our community in this kitchen, and lots of activities take place in this restaurant. This open space is a leisure and social area where we can spend time during the breaks. Finally, the gym and the sports field where the sports courses have their classes. And this is it. Hope you have enjoyed it as much as we do.